Hey guys, this is a truck that I just got delivered from Maryland yesterday afternoon. It's a present for my grandfather. It's a 1955 first series Chevy 3100 short bed pickup. I don't really know too much about these trucks. I have a bunch of 60s, 70s, and early 80s GM muscle cars, but I know he was born in 53 and he really wanted a 53. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any that were close enough and within budget, so I found this 55 on the marketplace for $2,500. The guy was very friendly, and I just had it shipped up to Pennsylvania. So I'll be working on this thing before my grandfather gets home from South Carolina in May. Like I said, I don't know too much about these trucks. I do know it does have the original 235 straight 6 in it. It is a 3-speed on the column truck. It does need cab corners, floorboards. It does need a full floor piece in it. The seat. What's our odometer say there? 27,481. So that's definitely gone around a couple times. Somebody had put a new gas tank in it. So I will be working on this guy coming up here shortly. Probably doing a few videos of seeing if this motor can run and seeing if it actually moves. That way I can move it around from in the garage to out of the garage. And that's about it. We'll go from there.